This is the Fractal Design North mid-tower case, blending modern airflow with natural wood accents for a clean, premium, minimalist look. It features mesh ventilation and supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards with space for graphics cards up to 355mm in length. The case includes two pre-installed 140mm Fractal Design fans located in the front and equipped with fluid dynamic bearings. The front panel is equipped with a removable full-size fine mesh dust filter. Underneath, there's another mesh filter protecting the power supply, which easily slides out for cleaning. At the back, rubber grommets and cable straps help secure the wiring, with most of the cable management space focused in the lower compartment. We'll be using the ROG STRIX B658 gaming motherboard, an AMD Ryzen 58400F processor, a 32GB PNY RAM kit, and 1TB M.2 storage. CPU cooling is handled by the Dark Rock Elite from Be Quiet, a premium air cooler with dual light wings fans. Rated for up to 280 watts of TDP, the Dark Rock Elite also includes a built-in selector to switch between quiet and performance modes. For exhaust, we're using a set of Montech AX120 and AX140 ARGB fans with hydraulic bearings and addressable lighting. Powering the system is the Deepcool PN850M, a fully modular power supply that delivers 850 watts rated 80+ gold. Powering graphics, we have the Sapphire RX 7800 XT from AMD's Radeon lineup, featuring 16GB of GDDR6 memory,